Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to install ClassSpark LMS with AIGen. First, go to the login page and sign in using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your products page. From there, click Download LMS, then select File Download and click Download Anyway. This will download our installer file. After the download is complete, right-click the file and choose Extract to ClassSpark using WinRAR. The file is password protected. When prompted, enter the password ClassSparkPH, then click OK. Once extracted, you'll get a folder containing the installer files. Open the folder and look for the setup.exe file. Simply double-click it to begin the installation. If Windows displays a security warning, click More Info, then select Run Anyway. Next, choose the installation location for ClassSpark. You can leave the default location if you prefer. Click Next, choose whether you'd like to create a shortcut, click Next again, and then click Install. At this point, the installer will automatically download the latest version of ClassSpark from our update server. Just wait a few moments while the process completes. Once this window appears, it means the installation was successful. You'll also notice that the application automatically opens in your browser. If the app doesn't open automatically, simply use the desktop shortcut to launch it. To activate your account, enter the same email address and password that you use on our website. Click Activate and wait while the system verifies your account. Once verification is complete, you'll be redirected to the ClassSpark LMS dashboard. Congratulations! Your ClassSpark LMS is now activated and ready to use. You can start exploring the platform right away. We highly recommend watching the tutorial videos to get familiar with all the features. And if you'd like to generate lesson plans, activities, assessments, and more, you'll find AI Gen at the bottom left corner of the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching and welcome to ClassSpark LMS with AI Gen.